Hello guys, this is the first tutorials. I show you how to delete all the messages in your email. Just one click in a few moments. Namalada phi delete ha ke email jung phi kawai ka simple em phi ban delete. Te mentangan pi kumno ba phin la ban delete baro sisin delete lecha ka application Chrome open and then click ya ka desktop site. Search Gmail account. Gmail. Click the Gmail. Log in your account, your email account. PE hang ni kami ka email jumpi baru ki message primary and social. Dia klik hang ni. Select all. Page ngadon lagi hajar kat lai hajar seneng ki masih cengah mentah te ai okay klik page na jam ta tunjuk duk haka social dek kembali pi lalek mene haka primary mark all and then select okay and then delete tunjuk duk haki badon haki draft kapapisian dek tunjuk select itu tuka inbox jumpi inbox send ane inbox draft sa mark all and then select all delete te tanggung tu sa last part nada pidon kami itu email jumpi pila ban lecha ka trash nang ta sa restore yang nada pidon kam shu aina empty trash mo. Okay guys, anyways
Cô bé chỉ buồn nhà khi nóng bể như cái này câu video. Dẫu bao